Not as nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
God's grace is greater than your mistake. The Lord is ready to save you. Isaiah 38:20 says, "The Lord was ready to save me." What a powerful reminder that God is not ready to condemn you. He is ready to restore you. He does not judge as people judge. He does not see as people see. He sees beyond your failure. He sees beyond your past, and he sees your heart. If you are an open heart and are willing to turn to him, his mercy is available to you today. There is no sin too great, no burden too heavy, and no past too broken for God's love to reach you. Don't let guilt, discouragement keep you away from the one who is calling you closer. The Lord is ready to save you, ready to forgive you, and ready to give you a new beginning. Open your heart, trust him, and receive the grace that has been waiting for you all along. Remember,